This video explains how to set the time and date on your babyG BA-130 watch. In timekeeping mode, hold down the adjust button until the seconds start to flash to start the setting mode. Now, use the search button to reset the seconds. Press the mode button to select the daylight saving settings. You can toggle the daylight saving setting on and off using search button. Press the mode button to set the home city. Use the search button and the light button to choose the desired city code. Choose the hour setting by pressing the mode button and adjust it using search button and light button. Similarly, minute settings can be selected by pressing the mode button and use search button and light button to adjust it. Press the mode button to set the time display format and toggle it between 12-hour and 24-hour format by pressing the search button. Now, pressing the mode button will select the year setting, and you can adjust the year using search button and light button. Press the mode button to set the month and use search button and light button to adjust it. Choose the day setting by pressing the mode button and adjust it using search button and light button. Exit from the setting mode to timekeeping mode by pressing the adjust button. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe to G-Shock Middle East YouTube channel and like our videos.